It's a great day for a drive in this Bronco Black Diamond in this beautiful blue. It's a two-door, as you can see, and you have seating for 4 with a gray and black interior. And you also have this nice roof rack and rail. You've got Goose gear that comes with this vehicle. You have to come check it out. The top 2 panels of the roof in the front come off, and you have a storage bag for that. You also have G.O.A.T modes, goes over any terrain, so wherever you want to go and travel, this vehicle is very capable. It's a 4x4 with a 2.3 liter Ecoboost engine, and you also have many other features, so check it out and stay tuned. We're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. It's a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Speaker in the door, and you've got the power locks, and then we're just going to close the door here. We have our lighting controls, and you've got your hood release down below, and then on the face of the steering wheel we have our cruise control, our volume, hands-free dialing, and our menu. And this is a push start, so foot on the brake, key in the pocket, and we're going to push the engine start stop button. Any important messages are going to be on the screen here. Your menu will come up and your odometer reading. In the center here we have up top a little cubby in there, and then we also have the rear locking differential. Trail turn assist, so it locks the rear driver's side wheel and gives you traction to the rear passenger wheel. This allows you to do tight turns or even donuts on surfaces like sand or gravel. You have your traction control and your hazard lights, and down below we have our display here. So we're going to touch sources, our AM FM series satellite radio, as well as Bluetooth, and you see that it's highlighted. We can go into the settings and you can choose different options there, change the look of your display, whatever you want to do. And in your features is your owner's manual and your driver assistance. This is also where we're going to see our backup camera view. So when you put the vehicle in reverse, there's the center line, and green, yellow, red, just how close we are to other objects or vehicles. I'm just going to put us back into park. Volume and tuner, and then we have our fan here, our rear defrost, front defrost, AC, max AC, and that's your climate control. And then down below we have our outlets, USB-C and USB, and as well a place to put items. And then you have your automatic shifter, select shifter. You have your G.O.A.T modes, goes over any terrain. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. So as we dial through, we're going to see it on the dash, normal, and then eco, and the icons change, sport, slippery, I'm going to the right here, we're shifting, mud ruts, so it does it automatically for you, sand, and rock crawl. So depending on the weather conditions, road conditions, what you're doing, you will choose different options in that G.O.A.T modes. And then we also have our 4x4 there and our hill descent, a couple of cup holders. There's grab handles galore. There's one here. There's also one on the passenger side. The driver has one as well. And you'll notice that your side view mirror controls and your window controls are here, and that's because the doors come off, and your side view mirrors stay with the vehicle. They do not come off with the doors, so you still have access to those. And then the armrest opens up. There's a little bin in there, lots of room. Off to the side is your glove compartment, and then you have your manually dimming rear view mirror, upfitter switches, lighting controls, and we've got a nice hard top here, and those 2 panels come off, and you've got a storage bag for that in the rear. 18-inch wheels in the Black Diamond badging. This is a 2-door. You've got black handles and the rock guards on the bottom there. Driver's side fuel cap, and in the reverse you've got the high mount light. Your backup camera's in the middle of your spare tire. You're seeing this nice roof rack and rails. As well, you have a swing gate, and so we just swing the door open. Windshield wipers exposed there for the top glass, and then just flip it up, and there's room back here. Now these back seats are in a 50-50 split. They do fold down, and you've also got the storage bag for the roof because the top 2 panels in the front come off, and you can store them in there. A nice all-weather mat. And you've also got this Goose gear. There's different accessories that come with this vehicle, so you have to come in, take a look. But this creates a little table. I'm just going to release it here. You've got this nice little area to put items. If you're a camper, outdoor person, this is just great. And then just bring it back up. Let's swing the gate closed, but before we do that, let's bring the glass down, and you've got rear defrost there, and swing the gate, and you can lock it up and walk away or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Great day to head out in this 2-door Bronco Black Diamond. And so I've slid the front seat forward and you now have access to the 2 seats in the back, and they come down in a 50-50 split. You can see that tab at the top. You just pull that and it comes right down, then you have access to the back cargo area. And the seats slide forward as well. And then you've got this nice mesh on the back. And in the center there's a reminder that you don't step on that armrest. And then you've got this nice hard top with sound deadening headliner to enhance the acoustics and cut down on road noise. There's a nice little table that flips down in the swing gate in the rear. You also have a backup camera, privacy glass in the back windows, and you have blind spot information in the side view mirrors. And even though the doors come off, your side view mirrors are attached to the vehicle, so you can still use them, which is very handy. High beams, auto high beams in the front, plus your tow hooks and fog lights and many other features. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.